Science TV?
Fantasy fairy time in a land so grand. Fairy tale magic was all through the land. Let's sing our ABCs, come along with me, and meet some magical friends from A to Z. A is for apple, that's magic in red. B is for broomstick, flying overhead. C is for crystal ball, shining so bright. D is for dragon soaring into the night. E is for enchanted castle, tall and grand, sparkle sounds. F is for fairy dust, sprinkled by hand. G is for golden goose with eggs of gold. H is for hidden treasure, deep and old. Wow! I is for ice wand, freezing all around. J is for jewel crown, placed upon the ground. K is for knight's armor, shine in the sun. L is for leprechaun who hides and runs. M is for magic mirror, showing what's true. N is for nymph, dancing in the morning dew. O is for ogre, big and strong. P is for phoenix with a fiery song. N is for quicksand, tricky and deep. R is the rainbow bridge, where unicorns leap. S is for spell book with potions and rhymes. T is for tower, where the bell chimes. U is for unicorn with a sparkling mane. V is for vortex, a swirling magic lane. W is a wizard's hat, pointy and blue. X is for xylophone that plays tunes for you. E is for yeti, so fluffy and white. C is for zephyr, the wind that whispers at night. Now we sang the alphabet, A to Z so bright. Let's dream of fairy tales and wish a good night.